By early 2026, 85 million jobs will be lost to AI, but replaced by 97 million new ones. Which side of the equation are you going to be in? In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to leverage the power of AI and make some extra income, or even help your workflow. Let's dive in. Okay, guys, let's go straight in. Welcome to our internet money making series. Today's objective is to understand what AI is and the power of AI, how to communicate with AI, and we can see how we can make money from this. Okay, over the first thing that I want us to look at is prompt engineering. This is the secret weapon of understanding how AI works, right? Any input that you give any AI at all, whether it be an image generator, whatever it is, that is your prompt. So you see somebody go to a text to image generator and say that generate, give me a picture of a family. That is the prompt. The more simple your prompt is, the more basic the results are going to be. Let's look at a beautiful example of what a prompt can do for us, right? This is the beautiful results that we get. We go for give me a picture of a family, and we see AI give us any random family that looks like that. Now, let's see how much we can refine our results with giving the AI a very specific prompt. Let's try and go again. Let me use a text to speech to text feature from ChatGPT. So let's see. Give me a picture of a family that everyone in the family is bald. Bald. In fact, every male of the family is bald, and every female in the family has dreads. This family has three generations. We are seeing the grandparents, the couple, and the couple's children, making these three generations. These families are Ghanaian family. The color in which the color of the room in which they are in represents the colors of the Ghanaian flag, so red, gold, green. But the colors of the room should not be overwhelming, right? We want to see the subtle tones of red, gold, green. We want to see the family extremely happy. This should depict a wealthy Ghanaian family, right? Everybody in the family is adorned with gold jewelry and diamonds and all those beautiful things. Another specific thing that I want to see is this picture was taken in a room that is extremely well lit. We see light in the background and a bit of foreground props. I also want to see the picture was taken on the 50mm lens, 1.8 blur, right? So this is the description of the image I've given you. I want you to structure this image in a way that this prompt I'm giving you in a way that Leonardo AI can understand. So GPT, what I want you to do is that take this prompt I'm giving you, that is the description of the image, put it together nicely in a way that Leonardo AI can give you the best results, hyper realistic image. So that I'm looking for a text prompt from you. This is how I like to go about it because I've realized most of the times the ideas in your head might not be 100% formed. So I just go and blab about it to ChatGPT and tell it, hey, this is the prompt I'm trying to come up with. Structure it in a way that Claude AI, DeepSeek, whatever other AI I'm using would understand. That is why I usually like to use the speech to text generator feature from ChatGPT, right? And I get my results. It says prompt. This is a well-structured, optimized prompt for Leonardo AI. I copied that in. Remember, this was our first prompt. I said, just give me a family, and it just give this. But imagine how specific you can get. Let's have that load up quickly, and let's see our results. Look at this. This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. We are seeing the low cut on the men, women with the dreads, jewelry. This is, come on. There's so much that we can do with this afterwards that we're going to look at in different episodes. How we can convert this image into video, where we can start our own faceless YouTube channels. We can create an avatar, have the avatar read the news on TikTok, whatever it may be, and generate income from there. This is just wonderful. So from this, you should understand the power of prompts. The more basic your prompt is, you are giving it a chance. It's like you're rolling a dice. But the more specific you are, sorry about that. The specific you are, the more you can get exactly what you want. We are doing this in real time, guys. Awesome. So we understand the power of prompting, how specific we should get. Let's look at another example. Hey ChatGPT, I'm a student that is trying to start a business. I sell clothes. Give me a business plan, marketing plan for my business. Let's look at this basic prompt and let's see what results we can get from this. See, understanding prompts is the superpower to using any AI effectively, right? Let's fix that real quick. Right. So this is what we got. It says that, all right, let's build something scalable. Is they even giving me anything of use? It's asking me questions back. Now let me start up a new chat and see this. Let's be as specific as possible. Hey ChatGPT, take the role of a business expert and a business mentor that mentors young students from making 10,000 Ghana cedis a month to 100,000 cedis a month selling clothes. Now, my case is that I am a young girl. I am a young girl in the University of Ghana, 23 years of age, selling clothes to my classmates. I'm trying to scale up and sell more to other universities and even sell more to the students of the University of Ghana. The name of my business is called Fashion Haven, right? I sell leisure wear for students to go to the class or the gym or whatever, right? That's basically what my business is. I want you to analyze this business. Ask me any questions for you to understand the business 99% of the time before you give me a response. What I've done is that I've given ChatGPT a role. So you can give ChatGPT any other role. Take the role of a psychologist, take the role of a business advisor, take the role of a gym instructor to give you the best results. You can take the role of a gym instructor and create for you meal prep for to lose weight. You can even take that information, put it in a PDF and sell it. Awesome. So we are seeing that GP is already asking us some questions, right? Let's see how best we can answer all these questions and get exactly what we need. Okay, look at this. What exactly are you selling? I sell hoodies. What are your sorts? Where do you source your clothes from? I import them. Price points 300 CDs to 800 CDs. Profit margins 200 CDs on any cloth, on any item that I sell. I do not offer any customization or personalizations. I sell on WhatsApp and in person. I go door to door. I do not have a delivery system in place. It's just mostly pre-order based. I have all sizes. Order size, yeah, people usually order one item at a time. I've tried influencer marketing, social media marketing. People hear from me usually word of mouth. I leverage mostly Instagram Reels. Take the answers that I've given you as is and give me the results that I need. Because of time, I don't want to spend too much time on this because there's a lot that I feel like we need to do. I'm trying to cram a lot into this episode so that the next episode we can just dive into live making money. Right? So we can see a very, very custom fit for my business. Steps, how to do it, fit it, like it's giving me so much information. Anyway, we've seen the importance of giving detailed prompts. Now, I want us to go straight to a business model that I've tested myself and I've made money from it. srcpod.com, and it's giving us a couple of examples down here. Let's just try any of them. So I said build an e-commerce store front page. Oh, I couldn't even read that. Yes, perfect. This is something that I've done myself and I've made money from it, right? This selling websites to companies out there. I go online and I used to go online and DM companies and say, hey, I want to build a website for you free of charge. If you like this website, you're gonna pay for it. If you do not like it, it's okay, but let me build it for you. Sometimes I already see the business on Instagram and build their websites already and just DM them and say, hey, there's a link to your website. Let me know if you like it. There's a time that I was selling six websites a week. Anyway. So let's see how this looks. Most of these things I do not even do them myself. I just do them with AI and sell them. Right. This is just an example. I just wanted to see the power that AI can bring to the table. So I didn't even give it any specific prompts. In this case, you can give it the prompts based on the specific business. Whether it's a business, a bakery, whether it's a real estate company, depending on what it is, you can give it a specific prompt. Perfect. It seems our website is ready. We have our e-commerce store strictly done with AI. Strictly done with AI. You can go to any of these supermarkets. Let's even modify this, right? Make the website specified for a supermarket selling groceries. And let's name the website Whole Foods. Let's look at that. Let me show you a bit of specification so that you can know that the more you specify, the more it's tailored to you. That's the power of prompting. Remember that. And it's writing code. I was telling my team the other day that the new programming language is going to be English in a few years to come. And they're almost there. It's just amazing. This is just amazing. Perfect. So we have our website updated to the specifications that we asked for. Isn't this amazing? I said, let's change this to a grocery store. How many grocery stores or supermarkets do you know that have websites? You can build this thing for them, right? See, let's even take it this way. You can build it this way, right? And find any other developer that is around you and say, hey, could you add a payment gateway, whatever, and split the money with the person? You've made some money online. Let's look at Fiverr, right? Let's look at some services and let's look at some services that they offer, and let's see how many of them we could. Right. These are transcription services. People that transcribe podcasts to audio or to video. Now let's look at particular tool that can help you do this job, and we end it here. The purpose of this particular episode is to introduce us to the power of AI. And from the next episode, we look at 5 AI tools in which you can use to make specific amounts of money in specific time periods. So let's look at that really quickly. So this is something that I use a lot myself. My team is alerting me that we have all our time is fast spent. But this is okay. My team is just alerting me that all our time has been spent. But these are a few AI tools that I believe can get you started. We looked at prompt engineering, we looked at Leonardo AI to create images, and we looked at SRC book to create websites. This is just an introductory course. Next week we're going to go deep diving into these AI tools and how they can generate us some income. See you next week. Cheers.